你好. Hello in Mandarin Chinese. Welcome to Chinese Home Cooking Weeknight Show. Our demonstration today is how to rehydrate wood ear mushroom. Let's get started.
Here's the list of ingredients.
1 ounce dried wood ear mushroom. We're adding 2 cups of water into the dry mushroom container. The container should be larger than 2 cups. And we're going to put a little plate on the top to make sure that all the dry wood ear mushroom will be submerged in the water in cooking. We are going to put it in the microwave for 4 minutes. The dry mushroom has been cooked in the microwave for 4 minutes. As you can see, they are rehydrated and swallowed up and several times of size of the dry size. So we are going to rinse it in the cold water and drain a while. And if you're necessary, pat it with paper towel so that when you cook in the hot oil, it won't be splashing. Also, these are small, tender, without tough ends. Some of the wood ear mushrooms are bigger and tougher, and you need to remove the tough end, and if necessary, and also sometimes need to cut it up into half or into quarters. But for mine, it's easier. No need for removing end, no need for cutting up.
Let's have a quick review of what we done.